You're watching Theme Park Worldwide, where no, we're not in our local chemist. We're here on Jetline at Gröna Lund in Sweden. Now, this ride opened in 1988. It's a Schwarzkopf classic layout built by Zierer. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Come and join us in a nice rider camp POV. Look at the stunning views. Yeah, this park is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, we've got loads of videos on the channel from Gröna Lund. And yeah, what's nice about this, very smooth, lap bar restraint, good first drop into a tunnel, and then a very steep drop and plenty of helixes. Here we go. Helix here, not quite yet, but it's coming up. Here we go. Woo! That's right, Jetline. Hooray! Oh, lights are on. Woo! Oh! Hooray! Over the water. Woo! Oh, yeah, running 3 straight. It's ridiculously smooth. Big drop now. Woo! Oh, blimey. Jetline. Woo! Woo! It's a great coaster, this. You would not think it was as old as it was. Woo! Hooray! Oh! Woo! Fantastic. Another big helix, 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 helix. Hey! Really forceful. Whoa! I like this tunnel now with the light in. Oh! Brace yourself for the brakes. How was that?
So good.
Yeah, it's a brilliant coaster, that is. I love these classic Schwarzkopf layouts. Absolutely awesome ride. It's a shame that the demolished nightmare, really, because that's exactly what this was. But there we go. Thanks for joining us here on Theme Park Worldwide. This is Jetline, and that leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.